Fontainebleau. It's been open about 5 days. There's the valet, the car lift, taxi drop-offs. Wow. Check this out, a big open lobby. Obviously very new. We've got the guest elevators and casino this way. Over here we've got FB Express and some other things. Got some cleaning services here. It's about 5:30, 6 o'clock on a weekday. Here's a lounge, maybe a restaurant. Oh wow, they're filming something here. Wonder what it is. Spa, L2 shopping, blue bar, casino, and a theater. Here's another entrance. It's probably right off the strip. Some sports book, guest elevators, high limit poker. You know, you're not getting that old musty smell of smoke casino scent in here. I am gonna go to Circus. Here's the guest elevators. Room verification there with your key. High limit slots. Got a nice big circle bar in the middle of the casino. Wonder what is upstairs. Let's go check it out. So on the second floor, so on the third floor, you're gonna have the pool, spa and fitness up here. Promenade. The floor in here is a little trippy. It's weird. It's cool. Another bar, some restaurants. This overlooks the casino. Okay, so the food courts and all that stuff's up here. Very cool. Did a full lap here. We got the theater there, box office, South Park, and back down to the casino, folks.